Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video you are going to discuss about Eaton Vance Corp, and this is one of the strongest stock in US market primarily, but you can compare it with any other market across the globe. Why I am saying that is because first of all, I'm using the weekly chart. The reason being I'm not using the monthly chart is because of the data which we have here. So there are lots of splits, otherwise I can use the same thing, no issues. I can use the monthly chart, and you can see here the kind of gain which the stock has given over a period of couple of years from 1980 to 2007. This stock has given a stupendous return of 122,135%, or in other terminology we can say it as 1,22,135%. so this is the kind of return the stock has given over a period of couple of years, and now it has again made a breakout after a span of we can say 12 or 13 odd years. So we are going to discuss about that. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now, as far as this trend is concerned, so I have already explained you the previous trend. Now you can see here that the stock has been trading inside this range after 2007. Okay, so this was the range, and these are the levels. Okay, these are the levels. Yes. So just have a look at this. Okay, now this is very important to understand here, and we are going to focus on this current level. I have zoomed it a bit, and so if you can look at this level, what you can see that with this kind of move, so this level $50.7 was indeed your previous resistance of 2007, but it has crossed the resistance in 2017, but it's kind of a false breakout, and the stock fell down from this level, and afterwards it again went into the previous range and again makes an attempt at breakout. But with this $50.7 will become the first line of support, and then you have next support at 34, and then we have your support at 26.86, and finally what you could call for is $20 on the downside. Now the stock is currently at the higher end of the range, which will be the next support, next resistance or target at 61.18 or 61.2, and the stock is currently trading over there. Okay, so once this breakout happened and the stock sustained about 61 or probably $62 on the upside, then one could think of a larger trend or a formation or a start of a new trend. Probably that is the right way to say about the new trend, that it will be a start of a new trend, because what has happened that it was in a consolidation for the last 8 or 12 or 13 odd years, but now with this breakout it is moving on to the higher end of the range, and probably after $62 it will definitely make a new breakout. Okay, so if it sustained above $62, then what we are going to look at, we are going to measure the previous range and we can apply the same thing on the upper end. Okay, so once this breakout has happened, then the target which one should expect over a period of couple of years, over a period of longer duration, will be $184 on the upside, so or in between 180 to 190. So these are the levels which one should look for in the longer term time frame. Now there is also an example which one need to understand is those who have purchased the stock from the lows of 1980s, they have made a very huge amount of return till 2007. After that, this stock been in a range for the last 12 or 13 odd years, and now with this move you can see this is 1.22684%, and with this slight change it has become 1.46329%. and if the stock indeed moves 200%, so those who can purchase right now, this is just a move of 200%, but those who have purchased 20, 30, 40 years back, for them that will be 200% of their previous profit percentage, so it will be 440,000%. Okay, so that is this is called compounding. This is called the returns which will compound over a period of years, and the kind of gains which one should look over a period of couple of decades if one has the appetite to hold and understand how a company and how an investing works. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.